Option W, insert a gap clip. If you want to quickly insert a blank spacer or a gap, you can do that using the shortcut Option W. For example, I have these two clips here, and I know I want to put a third in between them. I'm going to move the playhead so that it's positioned in between those two clips. Then I'll use the shortcut Option W to insert a gap clip. This gap clip is essentially just a spacer. It doesn't have anything in it, but it's a nice way to break up or place a gap in between clips on your timeline. You can edit this clip just like you would any other one, meaning you can click on the gap, you can extend it or shorten it, you can activate the blade tool and cut the gap clip, and then you can go back to the arrow and delete part of that if you'd like. These gaps can also be rearranged in your project. They're a great way to break up or add space on the magnetic timeline.